Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a wipe code on your TREZOR Model T. To do it, you'll need to go to the settings in TREZOR Suite, but first I'll need to refresh it here because I was using it somewhere else. And let's go to settings and then go to device, and I'll explain the wipe code first. So the wipe code is a code that lets you self-destruct the device. So when you enter it, the TREZOR will basically erase all the data. And it has to be, of course, different than your PIN because you enter it in the place of PIN. And you can set it up, but before that, please make sure that you really have your backup phrase stored somewhere secure. And you can also verify it here by clicking on check, then entering the whole phrase on the TREZOR to make sure that the phrase is correct. If it's correct, then it's really great. And you can set it up. Now I'll turn on wipe code protection. You'll need to continue on the device. Enter your current PIN to unlocking the device. It'll verify it, then enter the wipe code. I'll set it to 0000, but feel free to set it to whatever you like, as long as it's different than your unlock code. And now it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.